how to find the correct State Farm customer care phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, need to contact State Farm quickly but not sure which number to call? Don't worry. State Farm has different numbers for different services, and I can help you how to call the correct one. So, this will help you get faster support and then reach the right department immediately. So, first things first, you'll need to go to your browser and then go to statefarm.com and then tap on the three lines in the top left. There at the bottom, tap on help, and then you will need to scroll down and then tap on contact us, and there scroll down and you can see commonly used numbers divided into different categories, like there is number for auto, home or property claims, then there's another number for auto glass only claims, there is another number for health claims, and another one for life claims. So you can call accordingly, choose your service and select what you need help with, and you'll get the correct department. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.